Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to auto-populate a Google form with the help of Google Sheet. So for example, in this particular case, I am getting this data from a third-party source. Okay, all these columns: name, ID, sector you live in, location, age, product, issue. And I want to auto-populate a link here so that it can reference all the data present in this, and the user can just click on this link and open the form, an auto-populated form, and they can just directly submit it. So it will save a lot of time. If you are in this type of scenario, then this video will be very useful for you. Let's go and check out our form first. So this is our form. Okay, I have an edit access to the form. You should have the edit access in this case. So I'll just click on that edit button. Okay, this is my form in which I have to enter name, age, location, product and issue. Cool. Now to create a auto-populated form, I'll first go to this three dots on the right hand side top. Click on this, click on get preferred link. Okay, now put random data in it. For example, I'm writing name as AAA, then age 30, location is India, product could be phone, and then issue is screen not recording or screen broken. Okay, then click on get link and click on copy link. After clicking that, go to this sheet and enter the copied link here. Now the only part we have to do is reference these cells into this link and your work is done. So let's understand the link. As you remember that in our pre-filled link I entered name as AAA. So let's try to search AAA in the form. So as you can see, AAA is here. After some element like entry dot some numbers equals to AAA. Similarly, after that and is there, and then let me just zoom in a little bit. Yeah. After that there is some entry, then age 30, then location India, product phone and screen broken. Okay, the last element. Now I'm going to reference it. So before referencing, I'll create a concatenate formula because I'm going to break this line into pieces so that I can reference the part. Write concatenate, put double quotes here, close the double quotes, close the bracket. Now after this equals to, okay, the name is AAA, right? After this equals to, put double quotes, put an and, then after this and start with double quotes and again put one and. Delete this AAA and click on A. Similarly, come over here before 30, I'll put double quotes and after that and double quotes and then and. I'll just delete the age and will select E2. In same fashion, double quotes before the location, then and, then double quotes and I'll just delete the location here. The location is India. Then again before phone, just double quotes and double quotes and again and, then delete this word phone, click over here, and in this case also you'll just create double quotes and you just remove this and reference this part. So this is the last element. That's why we are not putting and, because there is nothing to concatenate more, right? So I'll just click on this. Okay, this is giving some error. Let's figure out the error here. Okay, cool. So earlier I added double quotes here, right? That's why it was giving an error. It should not be double quotes here. So my formula is still here only. After that, at the end, it is concatenating the G2 value, and that is all. Now let me click on this. Okay, if I'm clicking on this, I'm not getting a hyperlink of something. So that means it's a simple text in here. So just to make the hyperlink, I'll just put a hyperlink formula, then click on this and enter. Now I'll just write down some name, Akash, and ID is okay. Let's take it to China. Age could be 122. Then product is Android, for example, and screen broken. Let's see whether these fields are auto-populated in this form or not. I'll go here, I'll click on this form, and what I see, okay, continue with the draft, continue. See, Akash, age 122, location China, product Android, and screen broken. You just click on this, you will get the data at the back end of this form. See, I got an entry here. So for example, in this case, if I go here, I have some entry here, right? I'll just drag this formula and drag this formula as well. Cool. And I'll just alt enter here. It will open the form for me. Name, age, location, product, issue, and everything is done. I'll just submit it, and you can see a second entry has been created. So this is a very easy, but yes, you have to be very careful when you are referencing something, but it will save you a lot of time when you are filling long Google forms and you already have the data in Google Sheets. I hope you understood the video. If you like my video, my content, please subscribe my channel and share it as much as you can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.